YouTube family, what's good with y'all, man? Welcome back for yet another video. Your boy Jay is here today to give y'all we talking about news today. I don't know, we just gonna have a discussion, man. I do want to talk to y'all about some shoes that's just been disappearing, you know, in my eyes, and I'm like, what's been going on? And it was shoes that a lot of people had their eyes on, but did y'all forget about them? I'm about to enlighten y'all here in a second in the video, but before we dive into today's video, make sure y'all stick around if this is your first time, or if you just been watching the content but you have not yet subscribed, man. What you waiting for, man? Hit that subscribe button. Your boy Jay would truly appreciate that. It will help your boy to stay motivated to give y'all this daily content, as well as, you know what I'm saying, give y'all what y'all want, pause, you know what I'm saying. But I do have a couple videos that y'all have asked me about for a while, coming soon, man, so relax, stay tuned, it's coming, y'all. And as always, make sure you get a video a like if you see anything in the video that you like, man. But today we do have to talk about some upcoming things. It is April 7th today, tomorrow's April 8th, which means we do got a release. So tomorrow we do have a release of bang, the Air Jordan 1 Skylines. These are not on the sneakers app, man, so I don't know when, you know what I'm saying, or if they'll even be on the sneakers app. I do know that sneakers app does have a list of select locations, not all locations, because y'all told me in my early look video that a lot of other places other than what's listed on there is getting them, man, like DTLR and other stores, man. So shout out to y'all if y'all did give your boy that knowledge, man. But Skylines, I do have an early look video where I do show them on feet, and see, that's what the early look videos are for me to give y'all a little clip look of how they look on feet, because as you can see, I don't even have a full video out to them yet, man. So if you do want to see your boy Jay put them on, give y'all some sizing tips and stuff, check out the early look video of them. They're like 2 or 3 videos back. Check that out, man. But this does contain a all over canvas upper material, man. So canvas upper, when you got canvas on a shoe, you know you can run into issues with it, man. It can get dirty very easy. So, you know, you're gonna want to keep these clean, or I mean, you can beat them up. You can beat them up. If you do beat them up, I got the right place for you to help you bring them back to looking just like this. So who is bringing back them busted sneakers to new again? Y'all need to go ahead and check out the Sneaker Sanctuary, man. So what they do get shoes from y'all, like whenever y'all send them in. Okay, let me start from the top. Look, they do have different packages. Pause. They have packages of what you can select as far as how deep of a cleaning you would want with each pair of your shoes. So if you got like a crazy beat shoe, you probably want to get the best process they have. If you got like a mildly beat shoe and you want to bring it back to new, you can go ahead and start with the $40, you know what I'm saying, package right there. So as I did say, the first thing to do is to select your sneaker cleaning package. It does start from $40 and goes all the way up to $80. So the $40 is the basic clean package. Then you got the $60, which is a step up from the basic package. It's called the advanced clean package. And then you got the ultimate clean package, man. That's if y'all out there running through woods, dang, you know what I'm saying, like I don't know, anything that y'all might be doing where your shoe might just get beat up, they will bring it back, man. So check out those pictures as I was showing y'all. So that pretty much is how you might send a shoe beat up, and they will restore it back looking like the after picture. So they do great jobs at cleaning your sneakers, and you can save by sending them multiple sneakers at once. So if you want to get 2 or 3 pairs cleaned at once, you will save by doing it at a bulk rate versus doing them single, man. So they will send you out a shipping label that will go with the package that you get. So, you know, all you gotta do is slap that label on, throw them in a box, or vice versa, you know what I'm saying, and ship them out to them. They will ship it right back to you, and you'll think that you almost got a new shoe, man. So make sure you check out the Sneaker Cleaning Sanctuary today, and I do have a promo code for them. You can get 15% off your first order by using promo code J. I think that's it, right? Yes, that was correct. 15% off of your first order by using promo code J, man. So if you got any old shoes that you think are, you know what I'm saying, hey, there ain't no hope for them, there is hope, man. Check out the Sneaker Sanctuary over on their website. You can either check them out on Instagram as well, man. Give them a follow. Tell them your boy Jay sent you by putting in that promo code. But check them out today. Do not sleep on them, man. If you got some beaters that you want to turn back into some prestige clean kicks, man. So hey, check them out today. So yes, moving right along, y'all. Tomorrow again is April 8th. We do got another release, and this release will be on the Nike sneakers app. That is the Air Jordan 2 Low Seersucker. When I heard that name, I was like, what? You know what I'm saying? It caught me off guard. But seersucker is a fabric or a color. It's a color or a fabric. I did look it up, and what I got from it was a fabric, and I actually think it's a nice, dope, you know, it's a dope hue of pink. I searched it and I seen that dude in that suit, you know what I'm saying? What you call that? Forgot what you call the top. Y'all forgive me right now, but he does have on, you know what I'm saying, the little dress look. I think those twos would kill that fit. So that's the seersucker color that he does have on right there. And I do have on the seersucker color. You know, this does go with the seersucker. Shout out to Outrank brand. You know, they do have a limited online release for the clothing that goes with the twos, man. So I think that these twos is gonna be a pair that I go ahead and check out, man. I definitely like how Yankee Kicks had them on feet, man. As you can see with the white laces, I think they pop, man. I might pick up a pair and rock them on Easter, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Should I grab a pair? I think I'm gonna do that, man. I'm gonna check them out at least, and I will bring it to y'all maybe on Sunday. So if they have them in my area, I'll pick up a pair tomorrow, and I'll go ahead and bring it out to y'all on Easter Sunday, man. So yeah, man, the seersucker twos, those are dropping, and hey, let me know if y'all are copping those. I don't think they bad in my opinion, but a lot of y'all scared to wear pink, you know what I'm saying? But hey, ladies like pink, man. It is what it is. But let's keep it moving, man. Appreciate that. Dang, man. So your boy does have a shoe right here that I just want to know what happened to it, man. Oh my God, what happened to these? But anyways, man, this shoe and another shoe that I will bring up here in a second, like, they disappeared, man. They disappeared over here in the US, I should say, because this shoe did release overseas, but a lot of people were interested in this shoe at first. And of course, I gave y'all an early look at this shoe. If y'all haven't seen it already, check it out. But I did give y'all an early look, but I'm just like, what's going on with shoes such as, bang, these, man? So this right here, a shoe release, was supposed to be from what, January or December? I think it was supposed to release in December. It got pushed back to January, and till this day we have, to this day we have not seen a US release of the Air Jordan 5, the women's exclusive Air Jordan 5 Gore-Tex. So what happened? My phone out of here. What happened to the US release of the Air Jordan 5 Gore-Tex, man? These right here, solid shoe, really reminiscent of the metallic Air Jordan 5s, just with different materials. And of course, you do got that Gore-Tex written on there, which I was, you know, not the biggest fan of at first, but it's not that bad, you know what I'm saying? But the Gore-Tex 5s, man, what happened to them here in the US? Is this gonna be a normal thing, man? Y'all let me know y'all thoughts on this, because I just wanted to bring this up during this video. Like, I was like, dang, you know, going through my shoes, I'm like, okay, I've seen it happen once with the Air Jordan 5 Gore-Tex, which is a dope shoe. We've also seen it recently with the Air Jordan 1 elephant prints. You know, I ain't mad at those though. I'm not mad at those disappeared, because I think those kind of did need to disappear, because those really ain't it, in my opinion. But I mean, to each his own. If you like elephant print all over your Jordan 1s, hey, those are for you, but those are not for me, man. But that was another shoe that I was like, dang, so we're starting to get a lot of shoes that are just disappearing, man. What's going on? You know what I'm saying? So I just wanted to shed some light on that, and just wonder, are we ever gonna see this shoe release in the US? Is it gonna be a norm that shoes will just start releasing overseas and not in the US? Or what's the deal going on? Because I think that this is a solid shoe, man. Let me know y'all thoughts and opinions on this. Like I said, I brought it up in a first look video, and I know it didn't release in the US, but do I need to throw these on feet, man? Should I make a separate video and shed more light on this shoe, or should I just scrap it, man? Should this be one of those reach back, like as far as videos that I didn't give y'all, that I should give y'all a detail, you know what I'm saying, outside movie for, man? I think it's worthy of it, man. These are clean, and I'm just curious to know, is this gonna be a new thing where, you know, we might get our hopes up of seeing a release of a shoe and then they disappear? They only release in a certain area, but I don't know. It might be a new thing, because I guess there's certain things that release here in the US that don't release overseas, man. So I guess it's an exchange type of deal, man. But I just wish that, you know, we get everything all over, you know, so that we don't have to pay, you know what I'm saying, resale prices and get them shipped from overseas and all that good stuff. But I just, you know, I noticed it again with the Air Jordan 1 Elephant Prints, and that's kind of what brought it to my attention to be like, hey man, let me go ahead and talk about that and see how y'all feel about it, man. So hey, feel free, comment down below, let me know your thoughts and opinions on it, man. Have y'all heard, because I haven't heard anything else about these, have y'all heard about them or about the ones or anything? Let me know down below in the comment section. And other than that, man, your boy Jay is about to check out with this one. I will try to get my hands on those twos, but we'll just have to see if anybody in my area gets them. I don't think I want to get them off Sneakers App because it's gonna take forever to come, and I really would only get that shoe to wear on Easter, if we being honest, man. I don't think I'll wear that throughout the year, but it is what it is, man. Your boy Jay is checking out with the Air Jordan 5 Gore-Tex, and of course we did talk about tomorrow's releases, man. I will be back tomorrow. Probably I might hit y'all with a vlog or something, we'll see. But that is it. Let me know if I need to throw these on feet, and if I don't, you know what I'm saying, let me know as well. But y'all stay blessed. Your boy Jay is gone. And is there any other shoes that I missed, real quick? Any other shoes that I missed that didn't release? Oh yeah, the Olives. The Olive 9s, man. I mean, it's a lot of shoes, man. So I'm just curious. But y'all let me know y'all thoughts. I'm gone. Y'all stay blessed. Peace.